I'm back with the new video on Splunk. So today's video is about the health check of Splunk. How can we do health check? So there are different ways of doing health check. So one of the easiest way is doing health check with on the GUI. Uh, so for that, for this particular health check, you should have admin access on Splunk. So this is my trial instance, 60-day trial instance on which I do have admin access. So you can see administrator access. So from here, so before that, I can tell you how you can do the health check. There are different ways. First is from uh, monitoring console. Second one, you can do it from uh, indexes, internal indexes, where you need to select the Splunk D source. So from there you can go and have a look on that. But very basic one is you can do it through GUI. So for that you need to go to settings and then you can see monitoring console. So here if you do not see this control, that means you do not have admin access on the Splunk. So I'll click over here directly. So once I clicked here, it will show me all the parameters where you can check the system health or the Splunk health. So currently I'm using standalone. There is no distributed environment, so it is showing only single user. Otherwise, it will show multiple options over here, a tree structure on this page, and so on. So currently, it is giving and all the details it will provide you. Now, to do the basic check, you need to go to health check. First, click on health check. So here there are n number of like around 15 checks are there. By default there are 15 checks uh, where Splunk does the health check on that. What and here it is written what checks are those, what is the category and the tags. So like for example, event processing issue, if there is any event processing issue is there, it will come, the category will be data collection, and tags are event breaking, indexing, timestamp, extraction, etc. So you can find out what exactly the problem with these category and a specific check. So to perform these checks, what you have to do, either you can go one by one and you perform this activity if you know how to do that. Otherwise, just go and start the checks. So these checks are nothing but a search which is running in background and providing you the results. So you go and start the health check. So once you do that, in parallel, it in background it will run a search and it give you the results. So once all the results are ready, it will provide you the consolidate results for all the searches. So here you can see there are total 8 uh, uh, 15 checks are there. Under that, if any errors are there, you can see the error. That currently there is nothing in the error, there is no error. Warning, you can see there is a warning, this that assessment of service u limit. So u limit is very crucial for with respect to searches and user things. So you can see the category system and environment, and check what exactly the check, and the tags are best practice and operating system. This is u limits, generally use it for Windows. You need to not Windows, generally uses for Linux. If you are using Linux environment, so in that you need to go to a specific directory and you need to change the u limit. So after the result, it is in the result, it is showing one or more instance are running on the host that has one or more resource limits set below the official recommendation. So this is the error warning is there. If you click over here, it will give you a full description what exactly it is, so you can go through it and understand it better. So also, as I mentioned, these searches are nothing but these checks are nothing but searches, so it provides you the result. So once you click over here, it will give you the search and and the result. So it will show what is current and what is recommended. So here current due limit is this one and recommended it is this. Now you can see you need to open file, current limitation is this and recommended is this. Here it's fine, here also it is fine, but over here it is below the recommended one. So because of this, it is giving as a severity 2, and and it is giving as a warning. Okay, so if you need to uh, make your system warning free, so you need to go and change this settings under a specific parameter. So also, if you want to learn more about it, there is an official link for it, and you can go and you can read it, what exactly limit is, open file, user. So we had issue with open file, I think. So the user process. So when you set it, there is limit -u, and certain parameters are recommended values are there. So you can go and change these values. So you can have a look on this. So let's move to the next one. Info also system hardware provisioning assemble. So this is the category and best practice and capacity scaling. So this is info. Probably the severity will be 1, I guess. So you can click over here, it will provide you the details about core count, what is the current core count and what is the recommended, what is the physical memory in GB, currently it is this and recommended is this. So here this parameter is lesser, so it is showing over here as severity 2. Now again, and this is for only this instance. If there are multiple instances, it will show you the instance name as well, so on which instance the problem is occurring in distributed environment. Okay, so if you want to go to through link official document, you can have a look over there, and these are the successful one. So you can see which all successful uh, checks are there. Now there are NA. Why it is NA? Because it is not applicable to my instance. So it is with respect to license, because this is free free version of Splunk. So it won't show means this licensing will not apply, indexing again, bucketing in, because it's uh, free version, so these are not applicable. So this is how you can do all the health checks, at least basic health check, and you can act accordingly on the basis of the information provided in the result. And also there are a few options you can uh, like I have ran it, because of that it's not showing these options, it's not enabling. I need to go back to overview and then again go back to health check. So it will show you what all tags are there, categories, so in which category you want to have a look. Okay, so also as I was saying that these checks are nothing but searches. So how can you check these searches? So you need to click over here, health check item. So once you do that, these are the all the searches written and those are enabled. Okay, so if you want to change anything, so you can go and edit and change it as per your requirement. So all these alert currently send the alert to message. So you see the message over here. If you want to do anything extra with this, if you want to do the ticketing, or you want to send an email, so you can do that thing also. If you want to create a new one, there is option of creating a new one. So you need to give all the details, and you need to save it and play around with it. So currently these are enabled, you can disable it. So there are multiple options also there. I will show I will create videos on those options as well. Uh, how can you do the health check on indexing, searching, resource utilization, forwarders, and setting. Some other settings are there for a monitoring console. So for now, that's it for now, and thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.